Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is the interview question of the day. So this question was asked from a 4 years old Salesforce developer and the company name was Cummins. Okay, so the interview question is, tell us a scenario where you have committed a mistake and then how did you rectify that mistake. Now this is a very tricky question because you'll have to tell where you went wrong, where you committed a mistake. Okay, so we'll have to be very selective about what kind of mistakes we want to tell. Okay, those mistakes should not be too critical and they should also not be easy. Okay, so the common practice is we pick a mistake where we have committed something wrong and then we identified how to solve that problem and then what we learned from it. Okay, the major point here to understand is do not put that blame on somebody else, like tester did not do the testing properly or the requirement was not complete. Okay, if it is done by you, if you have missed something, an edge case or something, take the ownership of it. Okay, so let me explain it with help of an example. I committed a mistake. Okay, in one of my project I created a batch and there was nested if else statements, and in the outer else statement I did not do the filtering properly and it was picking all the accounts in the organization. Okay, when we tested it, we tested the positive case scenario and couple of negative scenario as well, but that edge case was missing. Okay, but when it actually went on production, we tested, when we checked it, it was fine for a few instances, but later on it started picking all the accounts, though it was not doing anything wrong on those accounts, no update and such, but the processing was happening on all the accounts rather than the selected account. So that was a wrong thing from my end. Okay, I accepted that fact. We rectified the batch, stopped the further execution, committed it to production again after modifying it on full copy, and then we retested it. Okay, what I learned from it is that we'll have to make sure that we test all the negative case scenario as well, and also with the bulk data. So owning the mistake is very important. You'll have to own the mistakes whenever you do, and then what you learn from it is also very important. So try to explain it in this sequence. Okay, not necessarily like how I did, you can do even better than that, but try to explain it in such a way. I hope this question and the scenario will help you understand the question and help you explain it in the better format. Thank you, everyone.